Hello, my name is Nicholas Tan. Today I want to talk about one topic: tips to make your email marketing more visual. There are a number of ways to make your email marketing more visual. There are two main areas to focus on: your landing page or squeeze page and your email themselves. Here are a few hints and tips. Your squeeze page. Your squeeze page needs to be impressive in order to get people to sign up for your email list. There are a number of ways you can do this. Number 1. An attractive sign-up form. You should have an attractive sign-up form for them to put in their name and email address. Most email marketing services should offer a range of attractive templates. For example, Arial has a range of ones you can select based on colors and style. Choose a color that matches your logo, or choose the theme form such as food, sports, or hobbies. Number 2. Create a strong headline that will stand out. Let them know what is an offer and why they should care. Other elements on the page will be the key to getting them to sign up. These days, most email marketers offer a free sport special report on ecourse. Create an attractive cover for it. Write some marketing copy that tells the reader what they will get when they sign up. The entire page should be attractive and focus on a single goal: to impress them enough visually to get their email address. Your emails. Number 3. Your logo. It helps brand your newsletter. Number 4. Create a custom header. In the same way, that newsletter has a banner across the top that say, for example, the Washington Post. You can create one that reflects your brand and the nature of a newsletter or other emails you will be sending. Number 5. A matching HTML template. Use the template with the same colors as your logo to make the emails a link with your brand. Arial and other services has a wide range to choose from. Number 6. Add one relevant image. Images can be a bit tricky in email because they are often suppressed by the recipient's email client, so they may not always see your logo, header, or image. However, they do have the option to click to show image. If a picture is worth 1,000 words, you can wow them with a high-quality image that supports the content you are publishing. Number 7. Use an easy-to-read form. Some service forms like Arial or Verdana are a good choice. They make the content easier to scan quickly. If you want to slow down their reading, use Times New Roman. Use subheaders. Subheaders gives clues as to what you will be talking about, and also break down the page so there's more white space, making it easier to read. Number 9. Don't use multiple columns. Put one item after the other. with headlines or subheaders in between. In this way, people can read your content easily, even on their mobile phones. Number 10. Make your plain text email look attractive too. You won't have any image or fancy fonts, but you can make even a plain text email look great with headline, subheadlines, use of capital letters to call attention to important information, and lines such as ecourse or thread in between the items to box them off, such as if you are running an ad in your newsletter. Use these 10 tips to improve your visual, and you should see your email marketing response rate increase. Next, would you like done-for-you email sequence without having to hire an expensive copywriter? Well, there's a team over Funnel Scripts has just added fill in the brand email sequence for every part of the funnel. Check it out here.